Went to the meet last night, and fuck, this thing is so sketchy to drive at night because these projectors point at the damn sky. So I gotta get these redone. Other than that, you know, these are just the small things that you gotta deal with when you're building a car and stuff like that. Everyone knows that. So I'll probably just use these as, like, I don't know, my show lights, I guess, because they're really cool. And there's, like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a carbon fiber plate in the back, so yeah, really nice. Here's the first look of the Seeker front end. I know I haven't showed too many pictures of it and whatnot because I was too busy focusing on the fitment in the front, rocking these big old wheels on these fenders, so it took up a lot of my time. But for this is what the Seeker front end looks like. Let's go a little bit close. This is also the CF option. So they have two different versions of this bumper. They have the FRP version, which is full FRP, and they also have a carbon fiber option, which is just pretty much just a carbon bottom layer and goes all the way across to the opposite end. So when they say CF option, it just means the CF bottom portion. It's actually a one-piece bumper. These little canards, actually, you're supposed to screw in. It's just taped on right now just to see how it look, but you can actually take these off. It looks ugly without them, surprisingly, so I think I'm just gonna keep them on. Probably in the future, I eventually, or maybe when I get it painted, I eventually want to mold it in. Hopefully, we'll see. Got some plans. Mikey 6P, big shout out to Mikey. He actually gave me this hood because I was actually chilling in one of his friend's backyard and I picked it up from him. He said, hey, you can have it. And then the reason why I was looking for, I didn't care what the condition was as long as it was a fiberglass or a CF hood. The only reason why I didn't care is because I'm actually gonna put this KSR vent on. So it's obviously fiberglass and everything else is easier to cut than metal, obviously. So this will be pretty cool. Pretty much what it would look like. Probably mount it right here just so you can see the, what you call it, my intake setup and everything like that. I'm not a really big fan of these vents right here, but whatever. Those are free hood and who it came from. Super cool guy, super OG 8th gen guy. So shout out to Mikey again, Mikey 6P. Thank you again for the hood, brother. I really do appreciate it. Next. Nothing too special. Nothing too special going on here. Pretty much just a stock Z3. I'm on an original motor still when I purchased the car. It's on its second trans. Shout out to my homie Tino who hooked me up with the trans, and John for installing it. So it was pretty cool. I got the second trans of this car, but same original motor, same block, everything. Stock internals, nothing done. Pretty much as far as mods go, I have a ZDX throttle body. ZDX throttle body paired with the K-Tune RBC to ZDX throttle body, and I'm running a 4-inch intake. This intake is actually custom. It's a 45-degree pipe. It's a 4-inch, and it goes, I think it's a 3.25, and it goes to a 4-inch. So the collector's a 3.25, and the rest of the intake's a 4-inch. Just got to get a separate MAF sensor, which you can purchase on eBay and Amazon, pretty much to make your own custom intake. The only downside of this is that you have to move your battery. So it's either you drop it lower or you move it somewhere in the car. Mine's actually located in the passenger floor. So here's a test fit, little mock-up. It's really crazy, like, having this front end on. Like, I know pictures and videos, they don't do justice, because in person this kit is fucking massive. Like, it's humongous. Here's a mock-up of the bumper on. Losing a little bit of light, but hopefully you can kind of see the lines. kind of.